Okay, for this problem, and again, with these tables, the key point to realize before you even begin is trying to figure out what they're trying to show with the table. So in this case, the scientists are trying to see if the amount of sleep, right, the amount of sleep, which is over here, has an effect on the person's ability to remember all the items. So saying that a different way, we're seeing if somebody's memory of remembering all 10 items depends on the amount of sleep they got, right? So in this case, the amount of sleep is the independent. So this over here, right, is the independent. And when we make relative frequency tables, we need to divide by the independent. So in that case, we're going to be dividing by these, right, by the independent. So now let's set up our relative frequency table, right? And you guys are going to, once again, be able to do this much better, right, because you have a pen and a ruler. So this is less than 7 hours. This is 7 to 9, and this is at least 10, right? So greater than 9, I guess we'll put. And you would write the same ones, but it's easier for you to write. And then this is the yes column, and this is the no column for remembering. And now we have to figure out what they are. So again, we're going to be dividing by the independent. So this is 6 over 155 over 155. And this one is 11 over 120. And this is 5 over 25, right? And then the next column, it's 149 over 155. And this is 109 over 120. And this is 20 over 25. And if we fill in those values, again, you use a calculator to do that, unless it comes out very easy. This is about 3.9%. This one is about 9.2%. And I'm rounding to tenths. This is 20%. This one comes out to 96.1%. This one is 90.8%. And this one is 80%. And now the question says, is there an association? That's the whole reason we filled out this table. So we would say that yes, there is an association, because look what happens. As the amount of hours increases, the amount of, or the percent of people who can remember goes up. So these values are different, if you can see. These values are different. So yes, there is an association. Yes, there is an association.